Even the wild finds moments of peace.
The jungle speaks, and the animal listens.
The journey never truly ends.
In the wild, awareness is everything.
Strength is shown through calm.
Awareness is survival.
Power is built through endurance.
Hunger sharpens the senses.
In the wild, instinct takes control.
Deep inside the jungle, nature awakens.
Intelligence shapes survival.
Power moves without noise. Every sound is part of survival.
The jungle holds its breath.
Silent, fast, perfectly adapted.
Intelligence thrives in the wild.
Distance keeps balance in nature.
Every movement is calculated.
Strength is maintained through patience.
Speed, silence, patience.
Survival depends on awareness.
A test of strength and instinct. At dawn, the wild prepares for the day.
This is nature, powerful, pure, and alive.
This is life in the jungle, pure, wild, and free.
Nature starts healing itself.
Even the wild needs moments of peace.
Danger often hides where no one expects it.
Awareness is survival in the wild.
An unexpected danger puts this life at risk.
Understanding comes before action. That's when trained wildlife rescuers step in.
Trained rescuers move silently through nature.